The story of the bean begins thousands of years ago in the ancient civilizations of the Americas, where early farmers first domesticated these seeds. In the fertile valleys of Mesoamerica and the Andes, ancient people recognized the potential of these wild legumes, beginning a process of careful selection. These early cultivators observed how certain plants thrived more than others, leading to the gradual domestication of varieties that we still recognize today. Alongside maize and squash, the common bean emerged as a foundational crop, prized for its remarkable resilience and ability to thrive in diverse climates. This trio of crops created a symbiotic relationship that allowed ancient societies to flourish, providing a stable food supply that could be stored easily. These legumes were essential to early diets, providing a reliable source of sustenance that supported the growth and expansion of ancient populations across the continent. As agricultural practices evolved, indigenous farmers developed sophisticated cultivation methods, including the Three Sisters technique, which naturally enriched the soil with vital nitrogen. In this ingenious system, beans climbed the stalks of corn, while squash spread across the ground, creating a living mulch that suppressed weeds and retained moisture. This ancient wisdom remains remarkably relevant today, serving as a cornerstone for modern sustainable farming practices that prioritize soil health and long-term ecological balance. The nitrogen-fixing ability of the bean plant acts as a natural fertilizer, replenishing the earth and allowing for continuous productive harvest season after season. As these agricultural techniques spread, so did the popularity of the bean, becoming a staple that defined the culinary landscape of pre-Columbian civilizations. The global spread of the bean accelerated dramatically during the Age of Exploration, as travelers and traders introduced these versatile dried seeds to Europe, Africa, and Asia. These small, nutrient-packed seeds were ideal for long sea voyages, as they could be stored for years without spoiling, making them a perfect maritime provision. Upon arriving in new lands, the bean was quickly adopted by local farmers who saw the value in a crop that was both easy to grow and highly nutritious. This transition fundamentally transformed local cuisines worldwide, leading to the development of iconic dishes that have become deeply woven into the fabric of regional identities today. From the hearty stews of Europe to the vibrant curries of Asia, the bean adapted to local tastes and became an indispensable ingredient in global cooking. By examining the historical migration of the bean, we gain profound insight into how a simple, nutrient-dense crop became a universal symbol of sustenance and cultural heritage. The journey of the bean is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of food to transcend borders, bridging the gap between ancient traditions and modern diets. From humble beginnings in the Americas to global prominence, the bean has proven itself to be an enduring pillar of human civilization across every single continent. Today, we see the legacy of this ancient crop in every kitchen, reminding us of the deep historical connections that link our food to the past. Beyond its historical significance, the bean is a marvel of biological efficiency, packing a dense concentration of proteins and fiber into a compact, shelf-stable package. Farmers continue to cultivate thousands of varieties, each adapted to specific microclimates, ensuring that this diverse crop remains a vital part of global food security. The resilience of the bean ensures that even in challenging environmental conditions, it can provide a reliable harvest where other crops might fail. This adaptability has made the bean a critical tool for fighting hunger in developing regions, where simple, affordable nutrition is a constant necessity. As we look toward the future of agriculture, the bean stands out as a climate-smart crop, requiring less water and fewer inputs than many other protein sources. The ongoing research into bean genetics aims to further enhance these natural traits, making them even more resistant to pests and changing weather patterns. By understanding the history of how we domesticated these plants, we can better appreciate the effort required to maintain such a diverse and healthy food source. Every bean we eat carries with it the history of thousands of years of human selection, a living record of our ancestors' commitment to survival and prosperity. The cultural impact of the bean is visible in the way it is celebrated in festivals, rituals, and daily meals, marking its importance in the human experience. From the markets of Mexico to the street stalls of India, the bean is a common thread that binds us together in a shared history of nourishment. As we explore the nutritional science behind this humble legume, we uncover why it has remained a dietary staple for so many different cultures throughout history. The high fiber content of beans contributes to heart health, while their complex carbohydrates provide a slow, steady release of energy that sustains us throughout the day. This combination of nutrients makes beans an ideal food for active lifestyles, providing the fuel needed for physical labor and mental clarity alike. In many parts of the world, beans are paired with grains to create a complete protein, a culinary pairing that has sustained generations of people. This pairing is not just a matter of taste, but a sophisticated nutritional strategy that ensures the body receives all the essential amino acids it requires. The science of food preparation also plays a role, as soaking and cooking beans properly unlocks their full potential and makes them easier for our bodies to digest. Ancient techniques such as fermenting or sprouting have also been used to enhance the nutritional profile of beans, showing a deep understanding of food chemistry. These methods have been passed down through families, preserving the knowledge of how to turn raw, hard seeds into delicious and nourishing meals. The versatility of the bean in the kitchen is unmatched, as it can be mashed, fried, boiled, or baked, taking on the flavors of whatever spices are added. This culinary flexibility has allowed the bean to remain relevant in a rapidly changing world, where food trends come and go, but the bean remains a constant. As we delve deeper into the cultivation of beans, we see the importance of preserving heirloom seeds, which hold the genetic diversity needed for future resilience. Seed banks around the world are working to catalog and protect these varieties, ensuring that the legacy of the bean is not lost to industrial monoculture. The story of the bean is also a story of the land, reflecting the health of the soil and the dedication of the farmers who tend to it. By supporting sustainable bean farming, we are investing in a healthier planet, one that values ecological diversity and long-term agricultural stability. The connection between the health of the soil and the health of the consumer is clear, as beans grown in nutrient-rich earth offer superior nutritional value. This cycle of growth and consumption is the heartbeat of human civilization, a rhythm that has been maintained for millennia through the humble bean. As we continue to learn more about the environmental benefits of legumes, we may find that they are the key to a more sustainable food system for everyone. The global trade of beans continues to grow, reflecting a world that is increasingly aware of the health and environmental benefits of plant-based proteins. From small-scale family farms to large agricultural operations, the production of beans remains a vital economic activity that supports millions of livelihoods. The impact of the bean on global food security cannot be overstated, as it provides a reliable safety net for populations facing food instability. Looking back at the history of the bean, we see a clear trajectory of progress, from wild gathering to sophisticated, science-backed cultivation and distribution. Each step in this journey has been marked by human curiosity and the desire to improve our lives through the power of nature's most resilient seeds. The bean is more than just a food. It is a symbol of our ability to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an ever-changing world environment. As we move forward, the lessons learned from the history of the bean will continue to guide us toward a more sustainable and equitable future. The simplicity of the bean belies its complexity, as it continues to surprise scientists with its nutritional benefits and ecological contributions to the earth. Whether in a simple bowl of soup or a complex culinary creation, the bean remains a testament to the enduring relationship between humanity and nature. We are part of this ongoing story, as every time we choose to eat beans, we participate in a tradition that spans thousands of years of history. The legacy of the bean is secure, as long as we continue to value the wisdom of the past and the potential of the future of agriculture. As we conclude this look at the history of the bean, we are reminded of the profound impact that a single, small seed can have on the world. From the ancient fields of the Americas to the global tables of today, the bean remains a vital, nourishing, and essential part of the human story. In the modern era, beans are celebrated not just for their deep historical roots, but for their incredible, scientifically proven nutritional value. These legumes offer a potent combination of plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and essential minerals like iron and folate for our daily diets. Beyond basic macronutrients, beans are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, supporting long-term cellular health in the human body. The complex carbohydrates found in beans provide a slow, steady release of energy, preventing the rapid blood sugar spikes associated with refined grains. This unique metabolic profile makes them an essential component for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the day for people of all ages. Across the globe, the preparation of beans reflects a rich tapestry of culinary traditions that have evolved over many centuries of human history. These diverse methods of preparation are not merely about taste, they are sophisticated culinary adaptations that maximize both flavor and nutrient absorption. Consider the slow-simmered black beans of Latin America, which provide a deep, earthy foundation for countless meals enjoyed by millions of people daily. The process of simmering these beans with aromatics like garlic and onion creates a savory depth that defines the heart of regional cuisine. In South Asia, we find complex spiced lentil curries that showcase how beans can be transformed into vibrant, aromatic dishes using local spice blends. By incorporating turmeric, cumin, and ginger, these cultures have turned simple legumes into powerful anti-inflammatory meals that nourish the entire community. Meanwhile, the Mediterranean tradition features hearty white bean stews, often cooked with fresh herbs and olive oil to create simple, nourishing comfort food. The combination of legumes with healthy fats like olive oil enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, making the dish nutritionally complete. Each culture has developed unique techniques to enhance the flavor and digestibility of these legumes, often soaking or fermenting them before cooking. Soaking beans is a universal practice that helps break down complex sugars, making the final dish much gentler on the human digestive system. This ancient wisdom, passed down through generations, ensures that the nutritional benefits of beans are fully accessible to those who consume them. A brilliant strategy found worldwide is pairing beans with grains, which creates a complete protein source that sustains populations with limited meat access. When beans and grains are eaten together, they provide all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. This synergy between legumes and cereals has been the foundation of human survival in civilizations ranging from the Americas to ancient Africa. As we look toward the future of global food security, the humble bean stands out as an affordable and highly sustainable agricultural solution. They require significantly less water than most animal proteins, making them an environmentally friendly choice for a rapidly growing global population today. The nitrogen-fixing capabilities of bean plants also enrich the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers and promoting healthier farming ecosystems. This regenerative quality makes bean cultivation a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture, protecting the land for future generations of farmers and consumers. By choosing beans, we are not only nourishing our own bodies, but also contributing to a more resilient and sustainable global food system. This simple seed bridges the gap between ancient agricultural wisdom and the demands of contemporary, health-conscious cooking in our modern, busy world. From the humble pantry staple to the centerpiece of gourmet plant-based dishes, the bean continues to adapt to our changing culinary needs. Its versatility allows it to take on the flavors of any cuisine, making it a truly global ingredient that transcends borders and cultures. Whether served in a rustic stew or a refined salad, the bean remains a testament to the power of simple, whole food nutrition. As science continues to uncover the health benefits of plant-based diets, the humble bean is finally receiving the recognition it truly deserves. Ultimately, the bean remains a universal symbol of sustenance, proving that sometimes the most powerful solutions for health are found in nature. The journey of the bean from wild legume to global staple is a story of human ingenuity and our enduring relationship with the earth. By understanding the history and science behind this food, we gain a deeper appreciation for the meals we put on our tables. It is a reminder that the most basic ingredients often hold the key to our long-term health and environmental sustainability as a species. The legacy of the bean is one of resilience, providing nourishment through times of scarcity and abundance across every continent on Earth. As we continue to innovate in the kitchen, we honor these traditions by finding new ways to celebrate the incredible potential of beans. Modern food science is now validating what ancient cultures knew intuitively, that beans are a vital component of a healthy, balanced diet. This ongoing dialogue between tradition and innovation ensures that the bean will remain a staple food for centuries to come. We see this in the rise of bean-based flours and snacks, which are making these nutrients more accessible to people with busy lifestyles. These innovations are opening up new possibilities for how we incorporate legumes into our daily routines without sacrificing flavor or convenience. The future of the bean is bright, as more people discover the joy of cooking with this versatile, affordable, and nutrient-dense ingredient. It is an invitation to explore new flavors and textures while supporting a food system that respects the health of our planet. By embracing the bean, we participate in a global movement toward better health and more sustainable living for everyone, everywhere. The story of the bean is far from over. It is a living history that continues to evolve with every meal we prepare. Each time we soak, season, and simmer a pot of beans, we are connecting with a tradition that spans thousands of years. This connection to the past provides a sense of continuity in an ever-changing world, grounding us in the simple act of eating. The nutritional density of beans makes them an ideal choice for anyone looking to improve their health through natural, whole food sources. With every serving, we provide our bodies with the fuel they need to thrive, supported by the science of plant-based nutrition. The environmental benefits are equally compelling, offering a path forward that balances our needs with the limits of our natural resources. It is rare to find a single food that offers so many advantages for both individual health and the health of our planet. This unique combination of traits is why the bean has been a cornerstone of human civilization for as long as we have farmed. As we look ahead, the role of beans in our diet will likely grow as we seek more sustainable and healthy food options. We are rediscovering the value of these ancient seeds, recognizing them as a vital resource for a healthy and prosperous future. The simplicity of the bean is its greatest strength, allowing it to be a part of any meal, regardless of culture or status. It is a food that brings people together, fostering community through the shared experience of preparing and enjoying a nourishing meal. From the fields where they grow to the bowls where they are served, beans represent the very best of our agricultural heritage. They are a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors and a promise of health for the generations that will follow us. As you consider your next meal, remember the incredible journey of the beans that might be sitting in your own pantry. They are more than just a side dish. They are a link to our past and a key to a healthier future. Let us continue to celebrate this humble seed, honoring its history while embracing its potential to nourish us in the years ahead. The bean is truly a gift from nature, a small but mighty powerhouse that continues to sustain humanity in every corner of the world.